This channel is called Tales by Monisha, and they only create moral YouTube videos in an amazing theme. As the time of recording this video, they've only uploaded 53 videos and they've gotten over 50,000 subscribers. According to view stats, this channel is getting over 1.4 million views every single month, and they are making anywhere from $500 to $1,300 every single month. If you're monetized on YouTube, you will bear witness with me that these numbers that you're seeing here are way less compared to what they're actually getting. Now, these more YouTube channels are there to teach or inspire ethical lessons, values, or principles. Basically, more YouTube channels focuses on promoting kindness, honesty, compassion, perseverance, and other virtues in a unique, compelling theme. When we study this channel carefully, we will discover that they're using short story theme to teach their moral lesson. And when we observe carefully, their videos are made up of 4 basic components: a story lesson, a voiceover, a set of images, and a background music. I will show you exactly how you can create your own YouTube channel just like this one and start creating these same type of moral lesson videos and begin uploading them on your YouTube channel. And the best part is that we're going to use AI tools to automate the entire process. Now, creating these type of videos can be done in 4 easy steps. So the first step that you need is a story lesson. So to write a story lesson, we're going to use ChatGPT. So you can use any AI tool of your choice, but in this tutorial, we're going to use ChatGPT. Now, one of the most important parts when it comes to these type of videos is the type of story that you have. The images may be good, but if the story is boring, no one is going to watch it. So this is why you need to take your time when it comes to creating your story. I've given ChatGPT this prompt so that it can write me a story. My prompt says, I am a YouTuber. On my channel, I create more story videos that promote honesty, kindness, compassion, perseverance, and other virtues. My viewers are between the age of 18 to 34. Now, I want you to write a story with a moral lesson at the end. This story must include only 2 characters and be between 100 to 150 words only. Now, this must not limit you to creating your story. You can include things like the type of tone that you want in your voice, the type of emotions that you want your story to express. Include all those details as GPT will be generating your story. From there, I'll click on enter. Okay, so ChatGPT has finished writing the story for us. So the name of our story is The Lost Wallet. This is just so interesting. I'd love to know where the story is heading. So from here, what you simply have to do is you need to copy the entire lesson, and I'll paste it in a Google Doc. Okay, so this is where now the magic begins. After I paste my story, I need to go through the entire story. From there, I need to change the words that I feel like changing, bring in new sentences, paraphrasing the story or the sentence, and making it have that personal feeling and touch altogether. And once you are done, the next step is going back to ChatGPT, and my prompt says, "Thank you for the story. Now, I want to generate images that will match the entire story. For each line, give me prompts I will use to generate consistent images using Design AI." Now, if you want to learn how you can create consistent images, check out the video I've just pinned above or in the description below. From there, we'll click on generate and wait for GPT to give us prompts that we're going to use to create consistent images for our story. So GPT has finished giving us prompts that we can use to generate consistent images for our story. So what you have to do from there is take your time, go through both of these set of prompts that GPT has given us. And once you're done going through your prompt, this takes us to step number 2, which is creating images for our story. And to do that, we're going to use an AI tool called Design.ai. I'll leave the link to Design AI in the description below so that you can sign up completely for free. So once Design opens up, what you have to do is come to this button that says New Project. From there, give a name to your project. I will call it The Lost Wallet. From there, choose the aspect ratio for your video. I'll select 16:9 because we're creating a full YouTube video. From there, I'll click on Apply. Now, when it comes to generating your images, this is where patience is needed because sometimes AI tools can give you images that you've not requested it to give you. Just have some little bit of patience until you generate those high quality and consistent images that you need for your entire project. And I'll come to this design style. From there, I'll choose the type of style that I'll use for my project. There are a number of them, so pick the one that you feel will be suitable for your video. So I'll go for innocent cute. And from there, what I'll do is I'll go to ChatGPT. I'll copy the first prompt. I'll go back to design. I'll paste my prompt there. From there, I'll click on generate. And I'll wait for design to generate the images for me. Okay, so this is just so perfect. From there, what I'll do is I'll go back to ChatGPT and I'll copy the second prompt. I'll come back to design and I'll paste the prompt here. And I will click on generate. So I'll keep on repeating the same process until I am done generating all the images for my project. Okay, so once you are done generating your images, the next thing that you need to do is begin downloading them into your PC, starting with the first one. Just hover your mouse to the image and you see this download button and download your images. Keep repeating this process until all your images are downloaded into your PC. And once you're done downloading all your images, this takes us to step number 3, which is converting our story into an audio. And to convert our story into an audio, we'll go to 11 Labs. Just come to text to speech. From there, go to your Google Doc and copy your story. There, go back to 11 Labs and paste your story there. And choose a voiceover artist that will be suitable for your video. Once you select your voice artist, from there just click on generate speech and your speech will be generated. Once your audio is generated and you're happy with the way it sounds, just click on the download button and it will be saved into your PC. Once you are done, this takes us to step number 4, which is editing the entire video. And to do that, we're going to use another tool which is beginner friendly and easy to use. And this tool is called CapCut. Once we are on CapCut, we're going to click on create project. And on this interface, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to upload our audio. Just go to a folder where your files are, grab your audio and drop it here. From there, we'll grab it and we'll paste it on our timeline like that. We'll zoom it in a little bit. From there, I'll go to my folder again. I'll grab all my images and I'll paste them here. From here, what I'll simply do is I'll grab the first image. I'll drag it here. Again, I'll bring in other sets of images to the scene. So I'll keep on adding these images to the scene. Okay, so once I'm done placing my images on my timeline, the next thing that I need to do is to begin matching them with the audio so that they are properly aligned. And once I'm done doing that, the next thing that I need to do is to add some transition between my two pages. So add transitions where you feel it is necessary. And to do that, just come to these transitions. CapCut has a number of inbuilt transitions that you can easily add to your project to make it that smooth and well appealing to your audience. And once you're done adding transition between two pages, the next thing that you need to add are some animations to your images. Your images are looking pretty boring, and to animate our images, what we can simply do is click on our image and come to this option bar here at the top which says animation. CapCut will give you a number of animations that you can place on your image. For example, this zoom animation, we can click it and it will be added to our image, and we can repeat this same type of animation to all our images until we are done creating this animation for our entire video. And not only that, the next thing that we are supposed to do is to add some captions to our video. And to do that, just come to text and click on auto caption and click on this button that says generate. And what you can do is click on your caption, change the font for your caption. I love using this one, and from there you can increase its size. I prefer it the way it is, just like that, and the number of words that are there because it's a story. Okay, from there, the last thing that I would love you to add is some background music to your project to blend everything together. Avoid using background musics that you don't own the rights to because they will give you a lot of issues and problems in the long run. So just upload your own background music, and from there, click on it. You can hover your mouse and reduce its volume up to that much, and your moral lesson video is ready to be uploaded into your YouTube channel. So just come to export, give a name to your project, call Project Emma and select where you want it to be exported to. From there, just click on export and your video will be exported and ready to be uploaded into your YouTube channel. So continue repeating this entire process and begin uploading more video to your YouTube channel and improve on something new each and every time, and you'll see the growth of your YouTube channel. So thank you for watching. Let me know if you have any question or challenges. I'll be glad to respond to all of them. From here, God bless you. Let me see you in this next video on how you can learn how to remove watermark from an image. That's if you're using a free version of an AI tool. God bless you.
Emma, a struggling artist, walked home after another unsuccessful day at the market. Her paintings, though vibrant and heartfelt, rarely sold, and she worried about paying her rent. On her way, she spotted a wallet lying on the ground. Picking it up, she found a thick stack of cash and a driver's license belonging to an older man named Mr. Johnson. For a moment, Emma considered keeping the money. This could cover my bills and buy more art supplies, she thought. But a pang of guilt struck her. She remembered the helplessness she felt when she once lost her purse. Resolving to do the right thing, Emma decided to return the wallet. The address on the ID led her to a modest house. She knocked, and Mr. Johnson answered, his face etched with worry. When Emma handed him the wallet, his expression shifted to one of astonishment and relief. "Thank you so much. I've been searching everywhere. This money was for my wife's surgery tomorrow. You've saved us."